In this video, we'll explore a quick and simple solution to fix the issue of sound removal on TikTok. Let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, when you open TikTok and play a video, you might see a notification that says, "Sound removed due to copyright restrictions." Don't worry, this can be fixed in just 2 easy steps. Step 1. Switch to a business account. Start by clicking the back button, then tap the icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Open the Account section and choose Switch to Business Account if you're using a personal account. Tap Next. Pick any category, let's say Other, and click Next again. Skip any prompts, and you're done with the first step. Step 2. Add and adjust sound. Go back to the TikTok homepage and tap the plus icon to import your video. Select the video you want, tap Next, and it will take you to the editing screen. Here, you'll see the Add Sound button. Tap it, choose any sound from the library, I'll select one randomly, and confirm by clicking the check mark. Now, look to the right side of the screen and tap the arrow icon below the filters. You'll see options for original sound and edit sound. Slightly increase the volume of the original sound and lower the edit sound. Once done, hit done, then tap next, and post your video. Results. After posting, you'll have 2 versions of the video. One with music and no sound removal notification. Another muted version showing the copyright restriction warning. By following these steps, you can easily fix sound removal issues on TikTok. Try it out and enjoy hassle-free videos.